नमस्ते। क्या आप CLAT 2024 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं? अगर आपका आंसर यस है तो फिर हमारे पास आपके लिए कई तरह के कोर्सेज हैं जो आपको CLAT 2024 क्रैक करने में मदद कर सकते हैं। ये एग्ज़ाम 65,000 से भी ज़्यादा कैंडिडेट्स लिखेंगे और सिर्फ 2,500 प्लस सीट्स है, इसलिए अच्छी तैयारी ज़रूरी है। We, at Paradygmlaw can help you. We have been in the law entrance training field for the last 18 years. Hundreds of students trained by us have been selected for various law schools across India. Here are the courses which can help you with CLAT 2024. Correspondence course. Students who want to do self-study. This course provides you with printed books and online mocks. Online Zoom classes CLAT crash course. Students who want to use the next 3 months preparing for CLAT can join our interactive online classes. Online mock tests with instant scores and ranking. Those who need additional mocks, this mock test series offers ranking and in-depth analysis. And offline mock tests at Bangalore Center. Students in Bangalore can attend these mocks if they want additional practice. This is a pen and paper test. Students can choose which of our courses suits them best and reach out to us at the mobile number displayed on this page. Thank you for watching. Empowering Legal Aspirations, Paradygmlaw, your law entrance exam guide.